Tri-North's high-efficiency HVAC system utilizes state-of-the-art features, beginning with a chemical-free cooling tower which uses kinetic energy to eliminate impurities. The large mechanical room, which services about 80% of the building, features a 40,000 CFM unit with a chilled water cooling coil, a hot water heating coil, and 300 pound per hour humidifier. Other energy-saving features of the building's HVAC system include a water temperature system that adjusts based on the outdoor temperature and radiant flooring systems that utilize natural convection to provide comfort, which lowers the air supply temperature.